Hi students, good morning to all of you. Welcome to Sri Academy online classes. Lecture number 2, lesson first, computer networking. The agenda of this lesson: first PAN, second CAN, third transmission media, four types of transmission media, and fifth guided media. So let's start. PAN means personal area network. PAN full form personal area network. A personal area network is a computer network organized around an individual person. Means personal area network is a computer network organized around an individual person. It generally consists of mobile computer, a cell phone, a personal digital assistant. PAN enable the communication among these devices through mobile phone, laptop, tablet. You can communicate among these devices. It can also be used for communication among personal devices themselves, for connecting to digital level network and internet. It's personal mobile. The PAN can be constructed using wireless or cables. PAN constructed using wireless or cable. PAN means personal area network for individual person. Next, campus area network, CAN. The campus area network is made up of interconnection of land with limited geographical area. Means campus area network is made up of interconnection of land. Means there are 2, 3, 4 lands connected to each other to share campus, just like any university. Network equipment such as switches, routers, and transmission media, optical fiber, etc., almost entirely owned by the campus owner. Means campus owner is just like a university use sharing network through, so such type of network is called the campus area network. Here the example of LAN means local area network, MAN metropolitan area network, WAN wide area network, PAN personal area network, and CAN campus area network. Through the diagram you can better understand. Means here LAN connected for a particular building, PAN for individual persons, means you connect through your individual devices, MAN means connect to city, WAN wide area network means all over the world you connect through the WAN, and CAN means campus like a university, connect internet, campus like university. Here the parameters and difference between LAN, WAN and MAN. This is most important question. Ownership of network: LAN private, WAN private or public, MAN private or public. Geographical area covered: LAN covered small area, WAN covered very large area, MAN covered moderate area, not less, not more. Next, design and maintenance. Design and maintenance of LAN: easy, WAN not easy, and MAN not easy. Communication medium: use coaxial cable in LAN, PSTN या satellite links in WAN means satellite, and coaxial cable, optical fiber cables, wireless use in MAN. Bandwidth: LAN bandwidth is low, WAN bandwidth is high, and MAN bandwidth is moderate. Next, data rates या speeds: LAN is high, WAN is low, and MAN is moderate. This is the most important difference between LAN, WAN, and MAN. Next, what is transmission media? in data communication. Transmission media is a pathway that carries the information from sender to receiver. Transmission media is a pathway that carries the information from sender to receiver. Means one person send this, those person is called the sender, and who receive is called the receiver. We use different types of cables or waves to transmit data. Data is transmitted normally through electrical or electromagnetic signal. Means the different types of cables like coaxial cable, fiber optics cable are used to transmit data, and data is transmitted normally through electrical or electromagnetic signals, waves. Transmission media are mainly two categories: guided, unguided media. Guided here wires, cable. Unguided wireless transmissions like radio, microwaves, infrared, and sound sonar, etc. We will concentrate on guided media here. Twisted pair cable. First, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. Unsealed twisted pair cable and sealed coaxial cable and fiber optic cable. Guided media, which are those provide converts from one device to another, including twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable. Guided media are those media which provide transmission through physical, like cables, wires. So such type of media is called the guided media. Twisted pair cable or twisted pair consists of two conductors, basically copper based, with its own plastic installations and twisted together. Means here two twisted pair means two pair, means two wire in a pair form like this. One is here and another is here. This is the conductor material, and this way the plastic material is called the insulator. Twisted pair applications. Very common medium. This is the very common medium. Can be used in telephone network. Twisted pair cable used in telephone network, connection within the buildings, and for local area network. For LAN use twisted pair cable. Twisted pair cable look like this. Twisted pair advantage: cheap, easy to work with. Cheap and easy to work with. Advantage of twisted pair cable. Disadvantage: low data rate and short range. Low data rate and short range. Now, after that, homework. What is transmission media? Question second, what is guided media? Question number third, differentiate between LAN and MAN. Means in this video we will discuss transmission media, difference between LAN, MAN, WAN, personal area network, campus area network, and transmission media. Transmission media are two types: guided media and unguided media. Guided media means when you transfer any data through physical media like cables, wires. Such type of medium is called the transmission medium of guided transmission medium. And guided transmission medium: twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optics cable. In this video we will discuss twisted pair cable, and coaxial cable and fiber optics cable discuss in next video. Hopefully all students understands all content of this video. If you face any type of problem related to video chapters, you will discuss my personal mobile number or WhatsApp. Thank you.